loves, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share my tips on coping with being a new mom, and I'm going to talk about a little bit about being a stay-at-home mom. Before you go, please leave me some comments down below. What are your tips on coping with being a new mother? So a little bit about myself. I've always wanted to have kids of my own. I always imagined my life with kids. I never thought that my life would not involve me having kids. In my mid-20s, I was told by my OBGYN that I would have difficulty having kids on my own. I was diagnosed with PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. So after that discouraged me. I always had that thought in the back of my mind, like there could be a possibility that I wouldn't be able to have kids. So I always imagined my life with or without kids. And when I met my husband, I told him about it. He didn't even sweat it. So I think just him not really worrying about it, not really stressing about it, it just helped me kind of not really worry about it or stress about it. So just kind of went with the flow of things. And today I'm blessed with a beautiful baby girl. So it just shows you doctors don't know everything. And I'm thankful that I can say I'm a mom now. With your gut, do what you think is best. You will get advice from your family and friends, even if you don't ask for it. So take the advice, keep it in the back of your mind, but know that you are the mama. You know your child better than anyone, and you have to go with your own gut, your own instinct with some things. Take time for my experience being a stay-at-home mom and living out of state from my close family and friends. This is crucial for me to even step away for 30 minutes, just making a Target run or just, taking a walk. It just resets you. And when you come back to your family, you're refreshed. Also doing self-care things I find helped a lot, like taking a nice bath or a shower, making sure I do my hair excuse me, making sure I do my hair weekly. I have time even doing some makeup, just things that can relax me and make me happy would definitely make my family happier. So definitely take time out for yourself. It's important, and it's important for your own sanity. Be patient. Be patient with the process of being a mother of a newborn. I've definitely learned to be more patient with myself. Getting too impatient with my daughter because I know she's a baby, and she doesn't know better. She's new to life. That when you have those sleepless nights, and when your baby doesn't want to go to sleep, they're crying, it lasts forever. There will be nights you'll be able to sleep like a baby. Baby won't make a peep. So just hang in there. When you see your little one's face, it's all worth it. So just stay patient with yourself and stay patient with yourself and your baby. And I find myself being more patient with her than anyone else. If you're an adult, you should know better, right? No. We don't play games with adults. Use your time wisely. Don't overwork yourself. So work smarter, not harder. At first, after I had my baby, I thought I could clean the house like I did before. And that just was not the case. I had to break up my cleaning into smaller chores. It's no point of pressuring yourself. No point of you stressing yourself up about a clean house when you can just break up the task and just take your time. Get your rest. The baby has definitely forced me not to be so much of a procrastinator, but you want to be realistic with goals and the chores you're setting for yourself. Ask for help when you need it, If someone offers to watch your baby or help you clean your house or help you with anything, just take it. If they offer to cook you food, bring you food, don't be ashamed. It's so nice for someone to give up their time to help you in that way. And that gives you a chance to take a shower, to run a quick errand without your baby, to eat, take a nap, just schedule that works for your family. So this may take some time as your child ages, and depending on what your work schedule is, or if you're staying at home, daycare, etc., etc. So you just want to get on a schedule that works best for you. One thing I learned is like, don't stress yourself out about getting on a schedule, especially in the first year. Just try your best. Celebrate small victories. So an example of this is when I was trying to get my daughter on a sleep schedule. Some nights she would not go to sleep. Some nights she would just go to sleep, and at the time I wanted her to go, so I felt so like, yes, I did it. I felt so accomplished. I felt like I won $1,000,000. So you're going to go through those ups and downs in motherhood. And you just got to be grateful for the times that it does work out. I'm thankful for the good and bad of motherhood. There's good things, there's bad things. But at the end of the day, I'm thankful to say that I'm a mother. I'm sending out tons of love and hugs and positivity your way and encouragement. Struggle and get through these moments in life that may not be pleasant, but pick yourself up and you can get through this. Throughout my first year of motherhood, I've learned so much about myself. Thankful for my daughter. Kids really do give you a new meaning to life, a new purpose to life. Next upload. Bye.